Good morning to every one of you. I am very happy to handle the topic marketing. This is a series of lectures related to marketing management. The first one is related to the meaning and definition and marketing concepts. There are so many definitions. Out of that, the important one is American Marketing Association has given one definition, and apart from that, one definition given by Chartered Institute of Marketing, and another important definition given by the first author of the book Marketing Management, that Philip Kotler. According to him, marketing is defined as marketing is about satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process. Satisfaction of needs and wants through an exchange process is marketing. Needs and wants of customers to be satisfied, and for the satisfaction, the product should be transferred from the producers, manufacturers, then that the traders, and from the traders it should reach the consumers. That process should take place, and in the process so many intermediaries are involved in that. That is the important definition, and it accommodates everything. And apart from that, market, that is a place where goods and services are exchanged. Normally goods are exchanged. Now services are dominating. In olden days it's not there. Services very little, and thereby the products are to be exchanged in a particular place. That means to satisfy the needs of the consumers, needs of some people. So in the initial stage, barter system, that exchange of commodities, that one gold is measured in terms of rice, wheat, like that, some crude equipments, like that. That exchange took place. Then a medium of exchange became money. Thereby, that money, through money, people are exchanging money, getting goods, and thereby deriving satisfaction. Next one is the marketing concept. We call it as core marketing concept. The core marketing concept proposes that in order to satisfy the organizational objectives, an organization should anticipate the needs and wants of potential customers and satisfy them more effectively than its competitors. So that core concept is related to the identification of the needs and wants of the customers. That is the main objective of the organization. If they are able to sell more products only, it is able to get more sales, and thereby more profit. Thereby that institutions are focusing about the identification of needs and wants and try to satisfy them as much as possible, and thereby they can overtake the competitors. So many competitors may be there. To overtake the competitors, what they have to do, that is the important basic thing, that is called the core marketing concept. The concept originated from the some 200 years back, when we are going to see the economy and the books written by the economist, that Adam Smith, Wealth of Nation. He stated that from that Wealth of Nation, that marketing concept is derived, and that through which we have to come across with the two or three needs, wants, and demand. These three terms are to be known. First one is the needs, second one is the wants, third one is the demand. These three things are derived from the Wealth of Nation book written by Adam Smith, and this marketing concept actually started from 100 years back. They used that particular textbook to draw that. First one is needs. Needs, that the physical matter. Needs related to the physical matter that is related to the, we can define it in two ways. One is objective and another one is subjective. Objective means to satisfy themselves. So themselves means they have basic needs. That means they have to need that food, shelter, water. These are all the basic needs. They have to. Without that, they could not survive. The products which are, supplied to survival point of view, and that is called need. One satisfy the basic needs only, they can think about the further. That means, high esteem, products, they can think of that. So this is called needs. And in the objective point of view, it's a subjective point of view, and it is a psychological. That means not only satisfying themselves, but about the family and the social group and the self-esteem. They think about not only for themselves, then think about the family and think about their social group. Then relatives, they have to think that whether they are satisfied or not. Then second one is the, wants. Wants are the things, without that also they can survive. The aspirations of the individuals, the products which will be giving more aspiration, more satisfaction, sophistication, like that. That products may be fridges, television, then high quality food, fruits, and all. And they can like that only after meeting that basic needs only. Wants means that aspirational goods, we can call it as wants. Then third one is the demand associated with that. Demand is when needs and wants are backed by ability to pay, they have potential to become economic demands. Demand arises only when the needs and wants is accompanied with monetary value, their ability, then only demand arises. Okay. These are all the terms related to the basic concepts of the marketing. Now I think you are very clear about the meaning of marketing and basic the concepts, core concepts in marketing. And once again, I can tell you about the meaning of marketing. That means exchanging process from one person to another. It may be taking place in a particular place. That place may be called as market. And some allied activities, banking activities, transportation are combined together. That the distribution process, distributors, traders, wholesalers, retailers, everything are included. Okay, thank you very much.